Hello, good afternoon, railroad fans, Cajon Pass. Hope you're all doing well and had a great week. Well, Sunday's almost done. Buddy and I went out today for 2.5 hours. We got 9 really good trains. Some days are like that. It was just boom, boom, boom. Yesterday we went out for 5 hours and I think we got 5 trains and it was all work. So some days are better than others. What can I say? We hope you like what you see today. Please subscribe to the channel. Give us a big thumbs up. Share with your friends. Help us out on Patreon if you can. We've got the link in any description. We have Super Chat and Super Thanks. We want to thank all those contributors. Keep us going strong. We can't do it without you. Okay, everybody, have a great week. Enjoy the videos and leave some comments. We love you, and we'll catch you on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye. Hello, railroad fans of the Cajon Pass. This train is on main track number 2, westbound at milepost 62 on the Cajon subdivision, BNSF lines, Southern California. It's a port stack train heading back towards the port area. Happy Sunday, everybody. If you like what you see, please subscribe to the channel, give us a big thumbs up, share with your family and friends, help us out on Patreon if you can. We have super like and super thanks. Appreciate all your help. We couldn't do it without you. All right, railroad fans, we love you and we will catch you on the next one.